So, Salil Fernandez, who's the creator and director of this documentary, and Vandana Sethi, who's the producer, who's also the founder of Earth Films and Water Communications, they came together to really highlight the plight of stray animals in this country. And they've made a beautiful docu, and they were making this song called Boo Boo the Great, and they contacted Sangeet and Siddharth Haldipur to do the music for it, and they wanted a female singer, and I came into the picture and ended up singing it. The film is really focused on highlighting the plight of stray animals, and even for the song that I've sung, Boo Boo the Great, Boo Boo basically represents any street cat, and they're really just trying to say that while you think cats are very cool and quirky and have a mind of their own, they still need love and shelter and food, and what Salil and Vandana have done is really, it's so commendable because it's the need of the hour to kind of bring awareness about stray animals and about adoption, about talking about their abandonment, cruelty. There's so many subjects to touch upon, and they've done such a fabulous job. Honestly, I don't believe in trends. I feel like any song or any piece of art has to have a message, and the point of that message or what you're trying to say in that has to come across and has to be conveyed properly. And I feel like Akshi and Afshan, who've written this song, and Sangeet and Siddharth, who've composed the song, they've done such a beautiful job in just conveying that message. And if it happens in English, which is it's a lot of fun to sing it, then so be it. And what matters is that you just convey the point across really well. I don't have a single favorite song that I've sung. Every single project that I do is extremely close to my heart. But maybe I'll sing a song that I sang for Chennai Express because I feel like that's what a cat would tell any human walking on the road. And it goes like this. तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना, तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना, तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना, तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना. I think as time passes by and as many years that you spend on this planet, I feel like you reminisce your school days and your childhood days the most. And if I could, I'd definitely go back to being around my grandparents and visiting them around holidays and being spoiled silly by them. It's definitely a time I cherish the most. I believe that competition and in the way that we subject people to it is extremely unhealthy. I don't believe in competition. I don't believe that we're all here living under this one beautiful planet to compete with each other at all times. I truly believe that we're all out here, following our own path and doing the best that we can. And I'm a true believer of karma, so I feel like what's meant for you will come your way no matter what. And if it doesn't, then it's not meant for you, it's meant to go to somebody else. And I'm honestly very happy for whoever gets whatever work and for the work that I do. I don't really follow fashion trends for sure. I like wearing good clothes. I like being put together, but it really depends on my mood. I can not care less on some days and really go that extra mile to look good on some days. But I think for me, comfort definitely takes a bigger uh, sort of like importance in my so-called fashion sense. I think I probably say this in every single interview, but it's a song composed by R.D. Burman Saab and written by Anand Bakshi ji and sung by Kishore Da. And this song it just holds true to so many situations that we kind of face on a day-to-day life. And it goes like this. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. I have toyed with the idea of doing way too many things, right from being a doctor to a pilot. Sometimes I feel like I could have been in the Air Force. These are all very random thoughts, but I feel like I landed up just where I belonged. I would have loved to also do something with animals. It's always been a dream for me, my husband and I, to own a big farmland and to adopt all sorts of animals. So hopefully someday I'll still end up doing that. So a lot of actresses have featured on my voice, and while they all look amazing, I feel like Deepika Padukone is somebody I really, I personally like her a lot, and I've also sung for her in Chennai Express. But I feel like as long as the song is nice, it doesn't matter. Anybody can feature on it. I'm just happy singing a good song. When anybody gets nominated for an award, obviously they go with the intention of, or at least knowing that there's a possibility of winning. But like I said, I believe in karma, and I don't like this introspective way of thinking where I feel like this should have happened and that could have happened and I deserve this and I deserve that. I don't believe in that. I don't function like that. Um, I'm very grateful to have been nominated for so many of my songs, and that's good enough. The trailer of The Tales of Boo Boo and Cuddly Poo is out, and it's making its way through a lot of international film festivals right now. So I'm hoping that in a couple of months we should all get to see it. We're pretty excited about it.